Well, hello Year 12. Here we are, revision video, topic 4, non-right angle trigonometry. The chapter revision question, chapter review, and we're doing these for multiple choice. Okay, so question 4, the area of the triangle. Okay, so this is the formula. Half AB sine of C. So we need two side lengths and an angle. We have to use this formula because there's no vertical height anywhere to be seen. That's the traditional area of a triangle, half the base times the vertical height. But this one, we're going to use the trigonometry one. Let's see, we've got an angle, so I can put that in. The sine of 40. Now, since that's angle C, that is side C, which makes this side A and that one side B. So we can plug in the values. Half times 32 times 18 times the sine of 40. That'll give us the area of this triangle. Once we find there it is. So, okay, let's put it all in. 1/2 times 32 times 18 times sine of 40 equals, to the nearest square metre would be 185. Which was that one. Okay, question 5. The correct formula for the cosine rule. Okay, well the cosine rule has got to have an angle, well we're finding an angle, so angle A, just angle A, angle B, angle C, side A, side B, side C. So if we're finding the cos of A, we need to feature side C and B. There is side A in there a bit, but the feature ones are C and B. The sides that form an angle. And this one features A, which is not good. And that one features A. We're going to these two. Okay. Now the one that still is the best one, is the only one, is this one here. That's the formula, because it features B and C on both the numerator and the denominator, so that's the one. And in fact, now, so that's question 5. Question 6, I'm going to do over here. Well, we've got the length of x. And for sine rule, we need a side angle, and so we haven't got that. So for cosine rule, we have what enough, because that requires an angle opposite and the sides that form that angle, which is there, so that's good. So here is the rule, formula, x squared equals 5 squared plus 9 squared minus 2 times 5 times 9 times the cos of 50. Basically, these two sides are key and the angle between them. Now, what we're going to do on the calculator is put all that under a square root to find out what x equals. Then when you go to 2 decimal places, okay, so square root of all this, cos of 50, and that's got to be in brackets. Calculator, here we go. Square root of all this. minus 2 times 5 times 9 times the cos of 50. How many decimal places? 2. 6.94. Which is that one. Okay. Right, question 7. The largest triangle, the largest angle in the triangle is theta. What is the value of cos theta? Oh, okay, so we've got to think on 2 levels. First one is which one is the largest angle? And the rule is it's always opposite the longest side. So longest side angle opposite, there's our theta. Okay. So that's going to have to feature 5 and 6. Just using this as a guide, the cos of A equals, and we've got the sides forming it squared, added together, so 5 squared plus 6 squared, which rules out that one, rules out that one, rules out that one. That's got to be that one. 5 squared plus 6 squared minus 7 squared, the side opposite the angle, yep, over 2 times, yep, that's the one. There we are. Thank you, everyone.